My name is Brian Kuzdas. I'm the CEO and co-founder of S2A Modular, here with another Modular Minute for you. Today's topic is going to be, does a modular home look like a traditional stick-built home? And the answer to that is just simply yes, because it's the same home. It's the same codes, the same standards, the same everything. I'm going to backtrack when I first got into the business. I'm a baby in this business. I started, the year was 2018, and I had bought a piece of property in La Jolla, California. And I was a traditional stick-built guy, built outdoors forever. And someone approached me to build a home modular. And my first reaction was, are you kidding me? It's boxy, it's cheap, it's not customizable. I've got to resell this. The town that I bought the land in was La Jolla, California, which is very upscale. So the idea was to knock down this home that I bought and build a nice traditional stick-built and sell it for multi-millions. So I'm thinking, just like probably 90% of the audience, modular is manufactured homes. It's like mobile homes, right? But it's not. It's actually the identical to traditional stick-built in that we use the same codes, we use the same standards. It's built indoors. The thing about building indoors, 90% is built in a factory. The nice thing about building indoors is you can build a better home. You're away from all the elements. You don't have to worry about rain crashing in on you. You get more perfection with your cuts. We can get to a 1/16 of an inch tolerance on all of our cuts. It's just built better. And then it's shipped and it's installed into the foundation. And basically the last 5-10% around that home is taken care of by on-site construction, which is your normal construction, but 90% is done. That's a big deal. I remember when I first got into the business, I said, I need to see a modular home. I need to see what it looks like. So they gave me a list of all the homes that were built in California modular, right? And I'm driving by and I'm checking things out. I get out of my car, I look at the home, I'm like, okay, what's the difference? There is no difference. So for all of you out there, when you look at a modular home, is it the same as a traditional stick-built? Yes, absolutely, but it's built better. So hopefully you enjoyed the Modular Minute. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks.